So friend, Samsung is reportedly gearing up to unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in July alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its much anticipated tri-fold device, the Galaxy Z Fold. Among the upcoming foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 has generated the most buzz with leaks hinting at notable upgrades over its predecessor. And one of the biggest surprise could be a shift in chipset. Rumors suggest Samsung might replace Qualcomm's flagship processor with an in-house Exynos chip, marking a significant change from the last year's Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 powered Galaxy Z Flip 6. While official details are still under wraps, here's what we know so far. In a recent report, Samsung Mobile claimed that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 will get an Exynos 2500 processor in many countries, including South Korea and India. The chipset is said to be based on a second generation 3nm process node designed by Samsung's in-house chip division. If reports are to be believed, it will be the first time that an Exynos chip will be used on Samsung foldable phone. The Exynos 2500 is said to feature a 10-core CPU, the Eclipse 950 GPU and 16 MB of L3 cache. Apart from the processor, the phone's display, camera and other details have also been leaked. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 may get a 4-inch edge-to-edge cover display housing a dual rear camera sensors, and those are 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel on the front, and it may get a 10 megapixel selfie shooter. This is likely to pack 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Additionally, it may ship with a 4000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging support. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is likely to come with a price tag of around Rs 1,09,999 in India and $1,099 in the US. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.